Hi, Sonia here, coming to you live from my office at the Annex in Palmer, and it's Self-Care Sunday, even though it's Monday. I wanted to keep up this pace and this tradition, and I want to maintain it to have a weekly show, a little live video where I do some self-care stuff, right now out of Bella Grace New Generation. But while I am I'm going to see if I can't share this video. I'm going to try to see if I can figure out how to do this. To see if I can share this video onto my personal page, so if people who are interested might be interested in doing this, because I really want this to be something that a lot of people have access to. I'm really looking forward to working with that preteen, teenager age group as far as sharing about healthy skin, self-care, how to develop authentic beauty, to be our most beautiful selves, because that's an age group that has somewhat fallen through the cracks. And so I really want to make sure, hey, look, I'm live, and try to share this. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to hear, but I'm going to, I might not be able to from this group. Bummer. Okay, well, that's good to know. So perhaps I can do it from my personal page. Maybe it'll show up on my personal page. Let's see. Bear with me. I know there's no one there yet, but if you are just watching this from scratch, then I apologize. You might want to forward through this. So there's a post. Okay, it doesn't look like it's going to let me. Too bad. So maybe I can tag myself in this. I don't know how this is going to work. Maybe I'm trying different things here. I think what I'm learning is that I can't actually share this from this page, which is really a bummer. Okay, well, I'll tag myself in the comments and see what happens there. Okay, well, I don't want people to have to wait too long. Hey, look I see my comment. Bummer deal. Okay. Oh well. So, no bathtub, no problem. This is the coolest thing. I just read this weekend, and I'm really excited because I have a bathtub in my bathroom, but I don't necessarily want to use it all the time. It's not very pretty. It's small. But this book here is geared towards that kind of teenager age. So that makes sense, right? If I'm a teenager, I'm living at home, I might not have access to a bathroom. So, but of course or a bathroom with a bathtub, I might have the half bath, right? Because the parents might have the bathtub. Or I have to share it with a lot of people, so maybe I want to do this. Anyway, there's a lot of reasons why I might not have access to a full tub or a nice tub. So this gives us some really neat options for using a bathroom maybe that just has a shower, and to create that spa-like effect. And there's some really neat things that we can do even without a bath. And so I just wanted to share this. The first thing it suggests is to have a hot shower, or not to necessarily have a hot shower, but to turn on the shower and let the steam fill the room to create a sauna-like experience, which would mean, I suppose, not having the fan on. So make sure that's okay with your parents. And then after a couple of minutes, step into the shower and use your favorite cleansing products. The steam will soften and detoxify your skin, right, which is what you get from a sauna, that alone would leave you with a bit of a glow. Get some soft towels hung up after you're showering after your spa treatment, right, or after you're showering, your spa treatment is not over. Bundle yourself up in a soft towel and dry off while the steam is still in the air. They suggest 2 hammam towels made from organic cotton, and so that would be very soft. Then lighting. They recommend, normally if you're using a bathtub, you would have candles around your bathtub, but another option would be to create a little bit just a set of candles like that to do the same thing, but maybe on a plate or something on the side, somewhere else in the bathroom. Yeah, on some ledges in your bathroom or on a plate. Maybe bring in a stool like they have here and have it on the plate. And that creates a dimmed light effect, which further enhances the mood. Then there is the scent factor, right? So you might not have a bathtub to put a bath bomb into, but you could fill a vase with dried lavender. You could spritz a lavender room spray, or you can even add several drops of lavender essential oil just to hot water and let it kind of evaporate. They also recommend scented soaps in light packages that have a scent. A couple things I would also recommend. One is for a room spray. You can really easily take some witch hazel and add a few drops of your essential oil of choice, and then add distilled water to that and shake that up, and that would be a very simple room spray that you could use and make on your own. There's also a recipe for like a shower balm, which you could like have with eucalyptus, and you could put that in the hot shower water that's running to create that like eucalyptus steam room effect. And I have that recipe if anyone's interested, so message me and I'll maybe share it here in the next couple of days. It's in one of these. It's the same group, Stappington Company, makes another book called Willow and Sage, and it's in one of those. So I think that'd be a really neat addition to a kit. Okay, beauty products, of course, have some beauty products handy. Either some body oils or a lotion bar, just something that you can then hydrate your skin while it's moist still. Music. Always recommend having some nice music. They recommend mellow, soft, or empowering songs, and maybe mixing it up with artists like Beyonce, Florence and the Machine, and Janelle Monáe. They also, okay, oh, this isn't playing anymore, odd, okay. And then a foot bath makes great sense. Just because you don't have a bathtub doesn't mean you can't get a nice bowl and add some hot water to it. And they recommend 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 5 drops of lavender essential oil, and half a cup of sea salt. I actually make bath salts at Just Botanicals, and I have a couple formulations to show people how to make them too. You can add some shredded cocoa butter to some bath salts. You can add essential oils to that, or even just some Epsom salts from the Walgreens. And just throw them in some hot water, and that's going to be relaxing also. That's a brilliant idea, because the feet are a very rated, under supported area of our body that affect everything. It's a great way to do an end of the day detox and relaxation. And really, I would like to develop a kit or something where, you know, you have the salts, plus you have maybe a spray lotion or something afterwards, or a spritz, or even just a peppermint based toner, something to just spray, moisturize, freshen, and let relax for the evening. So that was it, to be quick. So what I'll probably do here is I will save this video, and then I'll reshare it to my other pages. And then I'll try to keep this a consistent time so people know when to look for it, because I don't think anyone's actually joined yet. So hopefully you're watching this at another time, and thank you for joining. I'd love any of your feedback on these. Thanks. Bye.